What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Man, hitting up a ton of Nike outlets this weekend. Man, I came out to Thousand Oaks. Haven't been here in a while, man. And Westlake, they've had some dope stuff. Let's go check them out. Nike Westlake. Technically not an outlet. Technically not a retail. I would say it's more like a Unite store, but I don't think technically it is. Don't think it is, but pretty much. All right, let's go see what sales I got. Let's go. All right, nothing behind the counter. Did check. Yeah, let's go check out this clearance section right here. Oh, no sales at all. Wow, no sales at all. That's definitely surprising. All right, everything priced as marked. So yeah, so retail price for that. At least you get a full box. Kyrie Infinities. Oh, these are the dope ones. I really like this colorway. This is a size 8. But yeah, it is going for $130, so a little too high for my blood. I think eventually I'll get one. Eventually. Size 9 Air Max 1 Premiums. These are going for $140. People were digging these. People really like these. Does have suede. Does have denim. Okay, does have some premium material. That's why it's a Air Max 1 Premium, go for $140. Speaking of premium, do got a Air Max 95. This is a quick strike right here. And yeah, the materials on this really nice. Tons of stitching, way more stitching than the typical Air Max 95. Definitely a different look. Definitely some nice material too. Okay, $180 though, size 8. More size 9 Vaporfly Next Percent, go for $240. Nike by You Air Force 1. Oh, this has some premium material, like even that leather. Man, the suede and the leather on this is just ridiculous. $90 for this. This is a size 11. Didn't really have anything to show you guys on size 10. Size 12 and a half, 120. What was it, size 13, 140. Damn, that was quick. Not much to show you guys. That was quick. All right, let's look around some more. Checking out some random accessories. You never find football gloves. Never ever find football gloves. They are the Vapor Jet gloves. Normally $55 down to $30. And you get an extra 20% off. So was that $24? That's a hell of a deal. Hell of a deal on these. More than $30 off. And I kind of do want some socks on sale. It does say 20% off. I don't think those socks are supposed to be there. But yeah, they do have the elite socks. These have been here for a while. $8, normally $14. These are for single socks. And then single no-show socks down to $3. This is size 6 to 7.5. Okay. I haven't seen them like with. Oh, I haven't seen them with sizing like that. Okay, but yeah, $3. Normally $18. Normally $18 for one pair of socks. These must be some premium socks. Holy crap! Damn, $3, and then you get 20% off on top of that. So was that two something? Holy crap! Okay, okay. And then do you got the underwear here? Boxer briefs. Boxer briefs are $40. Normally $42. At least you get 20% off. Okay. Backpacks, no deals. Man, I went to the clearance store. They didn't have any backpack deals. Man, haven't seen nothing. Maybe because the kids just went back to school. And no deals. Got some tech fleece pants. Clearance apparently is 20% off. So what, $90, normally $140. This is a size small. Got this color as well, same price. Then got a jacket, $100, down from $160. These are all smalls. $120 for that tech fleece jacket, normally $160. Still got the penny hoodies, $60. This is a medium, 20% off. Nice thick, pretty heavy duty sweatshirt right here, or a hoodie, $65 for this, normally $100. In the size large, now $40 for these, normally $65. Ooh, this is a Jordan. Is this the engineered? This is really thick. This is a really thick hoodie. This is a large, $79.99. Normally $105. Super thick. And then got another sweatshirt, but it's like jacket material, but kind of poofy. $80 for these. Normally $150 it says. These are all larges. Got the black one as well. $100 down to $100 from $150. Got a bunch of stuff on sale, 30% off. A lot of the fleece, actually a lot of the t-shirts, and then 40% off the fleece. Okay, okay. These 40% off, $50 for these, normally $75, and then 30% off, $55 for those as well. All right, let's check out the aisles. Kind of the aisles, because not really aisles. We do have a Jordan section, kind of, sort of. The Pro Strong right here, the Axis, Westbrook Take Ones, and then the what's this? The Point Lanes right here. Do got some Witness, some Soldiers, Space Hippies. These are the ones. Genomes right here. Air Max 95s, 270s, Air Max 90s, and the 2017s. These are varied in price depending on location. Wow. Did I walk right past their heat wall? Oh my goodness, dang, dude. Do got some Dunks here, size 9 Dunks. Material's pretty interesting on that. Okay. Leather's pretty nice. I don't know what the price. I don't know. Whatever the retail price for Dunks are. What is it? $125 now? Okay. These are what? Man, these are already creased. Look at that. Look. Oh man, nobody want to know creased. Man, who cares about this? Got these right here. Never even seen these before, have I? Have I seen these? I don't know. Different Nike swoosh. Got the icy bottom right here. These look like they're worn too. Okay, dang. All returned, all worn. I don't see too many creases on that one. Got some Jordan mids right there. Some 6s. Going. These are size 9. Some PSGs, size 9.5. And then they got some lows. These are some regular Jordan 1 lows. Size 8 for those. Back to the men's section. You got some, these are the Quick Strike, right? Yeah, Quick Strike Air Force 1 mids. More mids. More Quick Strikes right here. Waffle trainers. And Tailwind 79s. Some Metcons right here. Oh, these Metcons are priced right. Look at that. Okay. They got these. Another one of these. Pegasus Trail 4s. Dang, and then the running section. Not too much. Not too much. Dang, look at that reseller. Look at how many he's buying. He's literally buying, what, 30 pairs? Dang. I think he's one of the Amazon resellers because wasn't anything hyped. Okay. Do got a few more Jordans. They've had these here forever. They've had the Chanels here for quite some time. Finally got the name right. I've gotten that wrong on like 5 videos in a row. These are going to be retail here, so it doesn't look like they have the best deals here compared to some of the other outlets. But yeah, got some of the 5s here. Okay. 13s, mids, more mids. I feel like I'm at a retail shop. Take a look at what I'm wearing. This is the same day, so I'm wearing the same shorts and t-shirt, but I did switch up shoes because I don't want to wear the same shoes for like 5 different videos. Dude, wearing some of these LeBron 7 Fairfax. That is a high school I did attend, so pretty dope. Pretty dope having a pair of LeBrons with my high school on it. Pretty dope. Originally came out as a PE way back when, and then they just released them. And I got mine on sale, dude. I originally bought him on release day, and then they went on sale like right after, so I actually returned mine and then bought these. But yeah, just shorts and t-shirt. Keep it simple. All right, there really isn't much of a sale. There's 20% off. Oh, okay. So they do have the same deal as the outlets. 20% off of a lot of women's stuff. Not everyone though. Okay. Oh, I forgot about these. Furiosa, the Air Max Furiosa, way weird. Air Force 1 Shadows. The Fontankas right here. Okay. Another one of those Furiosas. The Hirachis. Daybreaks. Air Force 1 Pixels. I think it is 20% off all women's footwear. Don't have signs on here, but even up top, and it does say 20% off footwear, and it's only in the women's, so I do think there is a sale on women's. Air Max 90s right here. These are pretty interesting. And Jordan 8 right here. I think that's about it. Came to this other wall right here, and yeah, there's that 20% off on top. I don't see that in the men's, so looks like it's just off of women's footwear today or this weekend, and still not that much to show you guys, dude. Just not much action here. You know, it is what it is. All right, I think it's just gonna be a hell of a short vlog, and we're gonna be done, dude. We're done. Looking for no-show black socks. Man, they don't have any here. They do have the Everyday Plus socks right here. Full retail though. White ones. But yeah, they're all full price, man. Oh wait, they do have the no-show socks here. No, but this is the everyday socks though. I don't want the everyday one. I kind of want the everyday plus or the everyday max. I think I bought one of the max and they did feel a lot better. These are thin as hell. God damn, dude. Why are these so damn thin, dude? Yeah, normally 18 down to 17. And these regular price too. All right, we're done. No sales. All right, let's go.